shot Tupac, I don't need to be black to make a song like that. Because I love Tupac, and Tupac loved Mexicans.
Right.
There's more than 10 interviews where he expresses this.
That one song, it wouldn't be LA without Mexicans.
Just saying. He was the first one that said it at a time when no one was speaking about this. Biggie wasn't speaking about this.
Sabok sa mapapalalakihin, tatapusin ang sinimulan. Pupunta lang sa may meron dating. Aking utak hindi piniringan, puso malayang bumabayo din. Kaya talento maharagahan ang mawang nais at maramdaman. Mga naninis patatambatin, parang dating kong palalakasin. Para sa tako'y makakarating sa pupuntahan at pangarap na din. In God's for the dog's name, yeah.